Recover deleted Facebook photos. If you want to recover deleted Facebook photos, it's very simple to do so. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and then launch the Facebook application over here. Once we launch the Facebook app, tap on our profile icon from the top left. If we've happened to delete a certain photo, let's say for example, I went ahead and then tapped on this little option, then I maybe tapped on the delete button or whatever else it is, right? I tapped on this. Then I tapped on the delete or hide from profile button. So to basically not delete or get that photo or videos back, you can tap the three dots icon on your profile page and go to manage post. From manage post, you'll see all of these photos or videos that you've deleted. So you can tap on this filters icon also if you want, and you can see all of these options. You'll find deleted posts. If you don't find them here, you can again tap on this option called activity log. From activity log, you can go to your Facebook activity, go to post and select manage post, and again you'll still find all the photos and videos you've deleted, and you'll be able to, you can see the trash option, so go to trash, and if you find any photos or videos, you can restore them. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.